This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and according to my intrusive thoughts, I should. At only 30 ringgit or $9 US, this case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is very cheap. Let's unbox it together. So it says it's for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip there, and I like that it is anti-fingerprint. And while I like the official Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 cases, they are a bit too pricey for my liking. And this case might be cheap, but it offers protection for the flex window there, and as you can see, it also folds right there. You know, for this shot, it would be really cool if someone just throw the phone from me from this side, but I'm shooting by myself, so throw it. You know you want to. Throw it. Anyway, I'm going to take the Z Flip, open it like that, put it in, slot it in like a normal phone. And yeah, we have it in the case here. And if I close it right there, you can already see, there you go. And I would say for such a cheap case, it does not look half as bad at all. I can still access my flex window here, and it also doubles as a screen protector. Now, I mostly got this case so that I can protect my Z Flip 5 when I put the phone on rough surfaces like on the floor when I'm recording POV footage. Speaking of POV, what are some of your intrusive thoughts, best friend? And as for me, I'm your captain of awesome, and I'm from Naija with love.